Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
I can't get it out.
Time top booty woogie.
Help me. Oh my goodness. Look
I
at
want everybody to dance them just like I said.
I'm already sitting there. Okay. Nice.
And when I say hold yourself, I want all of you to get ready to stop. When I say stop, don't move. And when I say get it, I want all of y'all to do a boogie woogie. Hold it now. Stop. Boogie woogie. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't have a TikTok.
I just don't have TikTok like.
Hey, Believe, you play music? Oh, well. Alright. You wanna play music? Ugh. The mom! Oh my god!
There's a lot of potholes, right?
Now when I say hold your step this time, I want all of you to get ready to stop.
Can you
Play a song?
you play
When
song for
I
us?
say stop, don't move a peg.
Oh.
When I
Can
say
you hit
get
it with the...
everybody
Yeah.
mess around.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Hold yourself now. Stop.
Good job, Abel. God, don't put that in your
around.
mouth.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, little girl, you standing there with the red dress on. Back right up here at this piano where Mr. Pine Shop is. That's right, face audience. Now when I tell you to hold yourself, you get ready to stop. You hear? And when I say stop, don't you move a peg. And when I say get it, I want you to shake that thing.
Look how nice you look. Look how
Hold
nice
yourself
you
now.
look.
Stop.
Such a good girl.
Shake that thing. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna pick the piano.
It will make us strong and it takes a shout. Hooray! It's good for growing babies and grown-ups to eat. For all the family's breakfast, you can see cream of wheat.
Did you steal it? Why would you do that?
I left my mother, the best friend I had, was a man that took me. That's why I'm all in bed. Nobody gives
Thank you.
has made me weep. He has made me moan and groan. He has made me weep. He has made me moan and groan. Took me from my home and left me all alone. Left my mother standing in the door. I left my mother standing in the door. With her hand on my head as her kiss fell.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers and progress keepers to earrings and necklaces, handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and U.S. printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.